And I have to isolate the part that's positive. What part of this is positive? Like, you ignore this, right? Ignore that. You're 1 over root n plus 1. I need to show that it's decreasing. So 1. Show it's decreasing. How do I show it's decreasing? I have to show that when I plug n in there, it's bigger than when I plug in n plus 1. And this time when you cross multiply, things are good. You get root n plus 2 is bigger than root n plus 1. That checks out. And then the second condition is that I have to have the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 over root n plus 1 goes to 0, which it does, doesn't it? Yes. There you go. Alternating series test says that this thing converges. So I do want that endpoint, right? So my interval of convergence, my final answer for interval of convergence is, I did not want negative 1/3, but I did want positive 1/3. There it is. Yes?
You have lots of scratch paper.
What do you mean scratch paper?
For extra paper.
Oh, you mean lots of space for you to show your work?
Well, just, extra paper or whatever.
Yeah, I'll provide you plenty of space. Oh, we're out of time? You don't want to stay and do another one? So here, here are 2 more. Why don't you try these? Let's make that a quiz. It's no worse than asking you to do your homework, right? So try those 2, all right? If this notation is confusing you, go back to the end of last class lecture. I talked to you about how to deal with something like that. Yeah. So we did run a ratio test on something like that. Okay? Let's say that will be due. How about we do this? If you turn it in the next class, it's worth more than if you turn it in a week from today. All right? So if you have a next class, I'll give you a little bit more than if they have to be right, but than I would if you turn next week. Yes?
I don't get the notation on the bottom.
Like I said, go watch the video from the end of last class. I did one like this in class.
Do we have to convert that n equals 1 to n equals 0?
No, it's okay because it's just one term, so it's okay to have. What do you mean, do you have to convert it?
Well, because for normal power series,
Yes.
we always had it as n equals 0. Do we need to convert the one that has n equals 1?
No, you don't, because, again, the convergence or divergence is not going to change if you just peel off one term from it. What changes is the actual value of the function. All right, everyone. Have a good day. We'll see you on Thursday. Right? No, wait, what's today? Yeah, Thursday. All right.